Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to knit a beautiful oversized Nova sweater, a quick, cozy, and super stylish project that you can finish in just a few evenings. This sweater is beginner friendly, no complicated shaping, big needles, chunky yarn, and the result looks amazing. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications, so you won't miss more knitting tutorials like this. For this project I'm using our own yarn, Nova by the Woolcatcher. It's soft, warm, and perfect for oversized shapes. You will need 6 balls for the cropped version, or 8 balls if you want it longer. You can find and order the yarn at thewoolcatcher.com. And needles. 10mm circular needles for the ribbing. 12mm circular needles for the main body. If you're ready, let's begin. Cast on 104 stitches using 10mm needles. Join to knit in the round, being careful not to twist the stitches. Work 7 rounds of 101 rib. Knit 1, purl 1, repeat to the end. Now switch to 12mm needles. Work 27 rounds in stockinette stitch. That means knit every round. After these rows, you should have about 32 centimeters in length. Now we divide the work. 52 stitches for the front, 52 stitches for the back. Place one part on hold, and we continue flat back and forth. Back, work 24 rows in stockinette stitch. Knit on the right side, purl on the wrong side. On row 25, we shape the shoulders and neckline. Bind off 16 stitches for the first shoulder. Work the next 20 stitches and place them on a stitch holder. This is the back neckline. Bind off the remaining 16 stitches for the second shoulder. The back is done. Great job. Front. Work 23 rows in stockinette stitch. Left shoulder. Row 24. Knit 16 stitches. Row 25. Bind off those 16 stitches. On row 24, place the center 20 stitches on a holder. This is the front neckline. Right shoulder. Attach yarn at the beginning of the row. Row 24. Knit 16 stitches. Row 25. Bind off those 16 stitches. Now the front is finished too. Sew the shoulders using mattress stitch. Sleeves. We will knit the sleeves top down and in the round. Pick up 28 stitches along the armhole edge using 12mm needles. Knit 40 rounds in stockinette stitch. In round 41, decrease by knitting. Every third and fourth stitch together, you'll have 21 stitches. In the next round, decrease 1 more stitch. 20 stitches remain. Switch to 10mm needles and knit. 6 rounds of 1-to-1 rib. Bind off loosely so the cuff stays stretchy. Repeat for the second sleeve. Neckline. Pick up 42 stitches evenly around the neckline using 10mm needles. Knit 24 rounds of rib, or more if you want a higher collar. Bind off elastically. If you'd like, fold the collar inside and sew it down for a clean, polished look. The sweater is done. Try it on. It should be soft, oversized, and super cozy. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a like. Save it for later. Subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. It really helps the channel grow. Thank you for knitting with me today. See you in the next project.